Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Fabulous app. After consistently testing the Fabulous app for 30 days, the big question relies on whether any habits was actually stuck, and the answer is yes, but with conditions. Fabulous stand out for its science-backed approach, guided journeys, and motivational coaching that gently builds routines instead of overwhelming you. During the month, habits like morning hydration, daily movement, and mindful check-ins become easier to follow thanks to structured reminders and clear explanation of why each habit matters. However, the app works best if you actively engage with it. Skipping days makes it easier to fall off track. Overall, Fabulous isn't a magic fix, but if you're willing to commit, it's a polished habit building app that can help real routines stick over time.